Hi, I'm Dr. Jeff Lynch with Esteem Dental Implants at McKinneyDentist.com in Texas. And this is Dental Implant Talk. Today's question is, how do I know if I'm qualified for dental implants? Dental implants are used to support individual or multiple teeth. To find out if you're qualified, we offer a no-charge consultation that includes a three-dimensional digital x-ray to show us the underlying foundation, which is the bone of your upper and lower jaws. We often see patients who've been told that they don't qualify for dental implants because they don't have enough bone. At Esteem Dental Implants, I've been specially trained to be able to help these kind of patients, and we've been able to provide a great new set of teeth for people who thought they were doomed to wearing a denture for the rest of their life. During our consultation, we'll also discuss your medical history. There are certain health conditions that would disqualify a patient from getting dental implants. There's not a lot, but there are a few out there that it's important to discover. Certain types of cancers, different medications, and heavy smokers are just some of those. If your teeth are affecting your quality of life, come see us at Esteem Dental Implants located at McKinneyDentist.com. We offer a no-charge consultation so we can find out if Esteem Dental Implants is the solution to your ongoing dental problems.